Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Denmark an infinite craft. First, let's gather our initial elements. Start by combining water and fire to produce steam. Next, take that steam and combine it with fire to craft an engine. Then, mix earth with steam to create mud. These foundational elements are crucial for our journey to Denmark. Now that we have our basic components, let's move towards agriculture. Take your earth element and combine it with the engine you just made to craft a tractor. With your tractor ready, combine it with earth to establish a farm. Finally, mix the mud you created earlier with your farm to produce a pig. We are getting closer. With our agricultural elements in place, it's time to build settlements. Take two farm elements and combine them to create a village. This represents a growing community. Next, combine your pig with the village to form a hamlet. These smaller settlements are key stepping stones to our ultimate goal. Keep up the great work. You're almost there. For the final step, combine your village with your hamlet. This powerful combination will unlock Denmark in infinite craft. Congratulations, you've successfully crafted this beautiful country. Now you can explore new recipes with Denmark. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your crafting space tidy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.